Today's Sunday. The 23rd.
Today's Sunday, yep. We're just going for a nice little ride. It's 10:30 and 77 degrees already. It'll be a beautiful day. No rain in the forecast. We'll see. Yeah. We're just going to enjoy a nice ride, and we're going to go near Driftwood. Because I can't pronounce the other name.
Yeah.
It's near Driftwood. Stay tuned. We don't know what we're going to see. We've been on this road once before. Let me see if you can get the view of that. Hate to cut that hill.
Yeah.
But we was on this road going to the elk farm. Back in one of our other videos where we didn't see any elk. Oh, we did see one.
Yeah, it was stuffed.
But not on the farm. We saw it on the road.
Yeah. I think it was a female.
Yep. We're just putting along and enjoying this beautiful day.
Yeah. Sunday afternoon ride.
Alrighty. We'll catch you in a little bit. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, this is our view, the mountain right ahead of us. We're in Elk Country.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it now.
No. Sorry, but we got a little bit. Nice, curvy road. Stay tuned for more. And like I promised, we got more. That's just gorgeous. Made it into Driftwood. Welcome to Driftwood.
Art of Endless Mountain.
Turn right on Chestnut Street, then take the first right.
Stay tuned for more. Just saying, we're up here, the road to the right, I mean the
River.
The woods to the right, it drops down to the river. It's a good 75 to 100 feet drop.
Absolutely.
Woo! And it's you're on the middle of nowhere. We're on, I don't know, one of the roads, Main Street.
Yeah, something about cinema honing, I don't know.
But it's a curvy road.
Yeah, yeah.
And it looks fun. Okay, this guy stopped in the middle of the road. Alright. Look at the mountain. Woo! Looks good. Aren't you glad you came for the ride with us? This is beautiful. I think that's it.
Hey, stop. 34?
Yep. Yeah. checked out something. We're gonna check out Bucktail Path. Might be a viewing area, I don't know. We'll find out.
Private property, but hiking the Bucktail Path is permitted.
Yep. Well, this is as far as we're going because we got a stream. And we're not going through.
This is the Bucktail Path.
Okay. We thought it was something else. While we're in the area, we're going to try to stop by Elk Country and see if there's anything wandering around. We have that on one of our other videos. I think I mentioned that earlier. We're not that far away. So we might use that as our next destination. Stay tuned. To get that video. Yeah. In the mountains.
Continue on Tapewood Avenue.
That is a beautiful view. And we're going near Weedville, 26 miles. So this is Hick Run Viewing Area, Wildlife Viewing Area. We just wanted to check it out. I guess you got to take a walk through the paths. And we're not up to that today. No pets beyond this point. There, you can't take me. I gotta stay in the car. Just leave me some water and crack the window. All right, off to the Elk Visitor Center. Well, we're coming to the back side, I think, of the viewing area. I don't know, but it's a neat road. Oh, that's a private road. Maybe go up this way.
Yeah.
Your turn. We're exploring right now. Because we don't know where we're going. It's a nice steep road with some sharp turns. That's what we can see. This is a viewing area. Just want to make sure everything's still plugged in. Yeah, elk, 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 elk. Get out of here. Well, that car did. Well, we stopped at the Elk Visitor Center.
Continue on Pennsylvania 555.
Okay, now you know we're on 555. We're heading home, of course. They didn't see any elk because they were cutting the grass. So, too much noise. The elk are hiding. Maybe the next time. There's a view for you. Check that out.
Yes, we're in Amish country right now.
Yes, we are. Leave them go.